Because of the outbreak of COVID-19, there are no more beautiful photos to post on Instagram, or are the photos in your life too boring to share? If you're caught in the bottleneck where your Instagram photos are about to run out, you must watch this video carefully. Your real mealtime look at home may look like this or this, but such photos are not very eye-catching, and even its effect on your social image is not so good. But if you can simply take this, or this kind of photo at home quickly, and you can post it on Instagram, is it more impressive now? In this video, Blue Lake Shot is not going to teach you to become a chef, but to demonstrate how to take eye-catching Instagram photos of ordinary food at home. Let's take a look. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on your little bell to get more information on the latest mobile photography for free. To cook, there must be a table, but the table at home may be messy or unattractive. So we start with a wooden background. And of course, you can also lay marble or other backgrounds, depending on your personal preference. In the preparation stage, all the ingredients are basically raw, that is, during the process of raw material, not yet cooked. So the easiest way is to present them as they are and put them directly on the table. You can take a few ingredients that you have at home and use whatever you have at hand without strict restrictions. Take the cabbage here we have as an example. In addition to simply placing them on the table, we briefly slice the cabbage leaves and spread them out a bit to make them look more real and in line with the ingredients used in cooking. After all the arrangement, just take a photo. Surely, you can use different angles, different placement, or even different ingredients to present them, and the preparation step alone is enough for you to take photos with all kinds of variations. In addition to the preparation of ingredients, the dishes are also indispensable. If you want to post the same series of photos, you can use the ingredients on the table to complete the dish. In fact, you can make a bowl of vegetable soup by using the tomatoes, cabbages, pumpkins, onions, and other ingredients left on the same table. Though the photo just captures a moment, it's a continuous and gradual process of cooking. Therefore, you can place vegetable soup on the same cutting board used for preparing the ingredients to create a greater connection between the photos. When everything is set up, just press the shutter button. In addition, the cooking process is also a good time to show your talent. After all, pigs or it didn't happen. But what if you can't cook at all? Well, don't worry. Even if you only know cooking 101 or totally a bad cook, there's no problem. Just like at the beginning, lay out the background first, set your phone on the stand, and then get ready to show your most common cooking skill, boiling water. Whether it's an electric pot or a fast cooking stove, when you look closely, there's only tap water inside. So, spoon a lot of water and press the shutter at the same time with the shutter remote control. Although it looks like a very ordinary action, the moment when you press the shutter will look awesome. These photos should be enough to make you look like you can cook, right? The photos you post on Instagram are a depiction of your personal image or a story of your life. If you feel bored at home, you can use your cell phone to write your own journal. Phone photography at home. Have you learned it? If you have any questions about taking pictures or arranging props, please leave us a message and we will make it into a tutorial video to reply. It's not hard to take pictures. Just try it.